Iran war. Iran has made its objective clear. And I've been saying this for the past 8 to 9 days. Most people were laughing. He said, Robert, Iran is finished. Israel has destroyed 80% of their air defenses. The war is over. I said, Iran is not trying to win the war. Iran's attempt is to make winning the war so expensive that winning becomes meaningless. These are two completely different games, and most people still don't understand the difference. Iran is no longer fighting a conventional military war. Iran is now fighting an economic war. Their target is not a military base. No warships. Not even just Israel. They literally hit those targets too, but here we are talking about the objective, what victory would look like to Iran. Their real target is the price of oil. Iran's Revolutionary Guards, IRGC, have made their goal very clear. $200 per barrel. That's the goal. That's the mission. This is how Iran will declare victory. Not by shooting down an F-35, but by making the price of oil so painful, unbearable, and devastating to the global economy that President Trump receives 50 phone calls a day from world leaders asking him to stop the war. Consider this strategy. Here's how Iran is putting it into action. $15,000 drones targeting billions of dollars worth of oil infrastructure. Naval mines in the Strait of Hormuz, the passageway through which about 20% of the world's oil supply passes. Attacks on pipelines, storage facilities, logistics centers, and refineries. None of this is random, nor is it done in desperation. Rather, it is a deliberate strategy. And as I said, they have been preparing for this war for decades. Each attack has only one goal: to cut off oil supplies. When oil supplies stop, the price goes up. When the price goes up, the whole world makes a fuss. Iran's logic is very simple, but tough. The day oil prices reach $200 a barrel, Iran will win. Not because they shot down a plane, but because at $200 oil, every Arab country will be screaming. Every European leader will be calling Washington. Every American voter will be furious at the gas pump. And then President Trump will have to make a completely different decision. Iran is not just trying to survive in a war. Iran is trying to make winning a war worse than losing. That is their strategy. I have been saying this for 8 to 9 days straight. Missiles are just a distraction. The real weapon is the price of oil. So watch the price of oil, not the number of missiles.